What's up, Sketchforce Crew? This is Brad Smith. I am making another drawing tutorial. This is a how to draw a campfire. I thought this would be great because we're moving into summer and you guys, lots of people go camping, and so we're going to be drawing that today. And so this is just a fun campfire. We're starting off our if we started off with overall shapes, we're going to be making a triangle down at the base here. All our sticks that we're drawing right now are going to make a shape of a triangle, and you can see these sticks are just squiggly rectangles. The one in the very front shows the bottom of the stick, and it's more of a cylinder. And so we're going to do something fun with the bottom of that stick a little bit later. But these sticks, they're not straight. Sticks are never straight, so have fun with what they look like and stuff. And so these back ones right here, we're gonna shade, and we're gonna so that way the sticks in the front stand out. Okay, just adding some more sticks and details and things like that. You can see the triangle shape that it's making right now. I'm going to be erasing some of this because I really encourage you guys to sketch lightly and draw through your lines like I did, and then you can always erase the lines that you don't want afterwards. You can see there I'm erasing all sorts of lines just to make it work. I am using Procreate, but that doesn't mean you need to for this. It'll work if you have a sketchbook. Paper and pencil always work for this stuff. So this is the fire. So it's wavy lines mixed with sharp pointed lines as well. And so fire is fun because it comes in all different shapes and sizes. So as long as you have something that looks like this, where the fire is bigger at the top and smaller on the sides, kind of shapes and directions. And then what I like to do is change out, or I like to add a little swirly thing at the very bottom of the stick, like the inside of the stick. And I'll do that in just a minute to show you. There we go. And so yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like, adding some more details on the sticks. There's another swirly that I added, and I think it just gives it a fun, just a fun flavor. I'm going to draw a little bit more to the flames right now, just one inside. I felt like it was missing a flame inside. And then I tried to add something else, but I just didn't like it, and I realized it wasn't a good idea. So now I'm going to add the smoke. But this smoke is really harsh. It has really pointed lines, and I don't like it. And so I'm actually going to be changing it right now. And so what I'm going to do is make them a little bit more wavy. So some of them could be harsh and pointed, but some of them need to be wavy as well. Yeah. And so that's the line I like, so I'm going to darken it. And I'm actually going to try to match that line on the other side. And you notice I don't have to really erase much. I just kind of went with the flow on that. And now I really encourage you to just darken your drawing. Whatever you need to do to make it noticeable. The more when you darken it, your viewers can actually see a little bit more of what you were trying to draw, and it doesn't look like a mess where everything kind of mushes together. And so there's a lot of other details I could have added to this. I could have added like rocks around the campfire, so basically it's like fire safety where the fire won't spread past those rocks. I could have added like grass or dirt and other rocks, and I chose not to just for this. Okay, now I'm going to darken the fire. I also chose not to make this into a cartoon character, but you can easily turn that fire into like an evil guy, or maybe if the fire just wants to be liked or something like that. But anyways, this is my campfire that I made. I hope you guys enjoy it. I wanted to show you guys that what I drew is basically a bunch of triangles, and I'm going to highlight that in green, so don't draw this. So that was a triangle here, and I'm making another one here to show you the other triangle. And then the smoke actually is an upside down triangle. Pretty cool. Alright, don't forget to sign it. I'll see you guys next time.